Hi, Creative Gardener here, and today I'm putting together this Italian soda stand sign with you. This is in my silhouette shop, so if you're looking for this design, it is there. Super easy. I'm using vinyl today, and you can see I have it on a very big piece of wood. That's because it fits into my Italian soda stand. So if you want to check that out, that's at Karina Gardner Paper Crafts. Let's get started. Okay, today I'm going to be putting together this Italian soda stand. Now, you can do yours on a poster board, you can do it on whatever material you want. I have got this painted piece of wood, and it's because I built an Italian soda stand for my house. So if you want to see that, that's at Karina Gardner Paper Crafts on my Instagram feed. And so basically I'm using this and it like slots into the top, and you'll see that I make a lot of signs this summer, including probably like lemonade, bake sale. Anyway, all of these designs are in my silhouette shop, and hopefully I'll have a chance to show you all the ways I make it. Okay, we're gonna start with the Italian soda, which you do need transfer tape for. I have an old piece right here. So I'm going to lay it over this, and it looks like I need a second piece of it. So here is my transfer tape. I'm just going to cut one more piece of it, and I never really cover my entire pieces. You can see I have an A stuck out right here. All right, I'm just going to cover the last bit of this. And then I'm trying to center it on this board. It's probably not gonna be perfectly centered, but it will do, is the bottom line. I'm really excited to put this on my Italian soda stand for you to look at it, because it's gonna be really cute. And you're gonna see a lot of video and reels of me doing a lot with that at Karina Gardner Paper Crafts, so go check that out. I always recommend people go check out the Instagram feed because I've got so many fun projects there telling you how to do things. And it's just a great source for inspiration. I know when I see other people doing things, like it gets me excited to make as well. Okay. Here we go. We're gonna center this the best we can. Now I have this like flying N here at the top, so I wanna make sure that it ends up on the board. Let's see, that's about as close as I think I'm going to get it to the center. And you see this one is just above it, and that's okay. I love vinyl for a project like this because it does take away the gluing bit, which can cause some problems. I'm just gonna get my little tool here to help me get out the transfer tape and make sure that it all comes off. Now whatever you have at the bottom is going to determine how easy or how hard it is to get off your transfer tape. This wood, it likes to stick to it. So it's a little bit harder, but it should come off. Okay, we are on. We are in business. This is so great. Okay, so the second thing is you do have this stand that is going to go underneath of it, and I like to do that next because then I'll just center it underneath of that. I'm just using the old transfer tape. Transfer tape can be used a few times before you throw it away. Should pop right off like that. And then you're going to center it. If you need to look at my, like at the original file, that can really help you. I will say that I'm not totally sure where the center of this thing is. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm just gonna pull one of these over and just kind of have a look-sees, because it looks like there's plenty of room. Let's look on this side, because that's where the ends of those end up. I think right about there should be good. And then pull your transfer paper off. Okay, once that is on, you can decide how you want to place these pieces right here. So I've got it set up. I was actually going to do the pink at the bottom. I'm probably going to do the yellow at the top. Oh, actually, do I want the red at the bottom so it's more ombre effect? I think I do. Okay, so I'm going to start with the red, it looks like. And I had different colors on the original file, but I didn't have those colors in stock. So I ended up just using the colors that I had. So So I'm going to do the red on both sides first. Okay. And then I'm actually going to do the yellow next. I know that's weird, but it's because I want to center the pink one. So I'm going to do the yellow first and make sure and line it up the best I can. You could get out a measuring tape if you wanted to, but that will help me make sure the pink is even between the two of them. If you have to adjust one of the other ones, like that is out just a little bit more than the other two, just do that. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Okay, I do have these cute little Italian soda pieces, and you don't have to use transfer tape. I am because my pink vinyl, for whatever reason, had a few pieces in it that were cut, and I just want to avoid it falling apart. So I'm just going to do that on either side, and I'm going to send mine way far out. Well, not way far out. I'm going to center it like that. Okay. Okay, once you have both of your like glasses on, I do have a little piece that you can put on the inside. I've just done mine in the darker pink. You can do it in, you know, a color or a flavor if you want. We plan on doing a lot of things to this Italian soda bar, so it's gonna have lots of embellishments. So I just tried to keep this pretty simple, very pink. And that is it. Isn't that so cute? Okay, if you are not part of my Silhouette VIP group, you are missing out. Make sure and join at KarinaGardner.com. I send out a free file every single week, so you can make with me. It's super fun. And I hope you subscribe to the channel because I have a lot of videos that come out for crafters. Okay, I'll see you guys later.